PowerPoint, PPT, a popular presentation software developed by Microsoft that helps businesses and educational establishments create effective multimedia presentations for various topics. The program enables users to design, edit, and share their PowerPoint slides with others online or offline in a secure environment. It allows users to add text, images, sound clips, animations, and objects while easily customizing the look of each slide. With PPT, it's possible to create engaging presentations that can be used to influence audiences and get your message across effectively. Furthermore, it also provides features such as transitions, formatting tools, and spell checker which ensure hassle-free experience when creating beautiful presentations. PowerPoint is an incredibly versatile presentation software developed by Microsoft that is used in educational, business and personal settings to share ideas, information, and messages with others. It can be used to create engaging multimedia presentations for any purpose such as marketing products and services, teaching classes, or delivering speeches. PowerPoint also includes features such as text boxes, animations, sound clips, images, and shapes which allow users to customize their slides from the graphic design to the font of the text. Furthermore, it also supports collaboration so presenters can co-author their files with other users in real time. In addition, PowerPoint provides a wide range of transitions between slides, making it perfect for creating unique and captivating presentations that will influence audiences. The acronym PPT stands for PowerPoint, the popular presentation software developed by Microsoft. It is widely used in educational and business settings to create engaging multimedia presentations for a range of topics. With its wide range of features such as text boxes, formatting tools, animations, sound clips, images, and shapes, it allows users to customize the appearance of their slides from graphic design to fonts. Additionally, PowerPoint also supports collaboration so presenters can co-author their files with other users in real time. It also includes a variety of transition effects between slides which makes it perfect for creating dynamic and captivating presentations that will influence your audience. PowerPoint is a presentation software developed by Microsoft that is used for creating engaging multimedia presentations. It supports file types including PPT and PPTX. The PPT file format is the original PowerPoint file format which was initially released in 1987. It is supported on almost all versions of Microsoft Windows operating system as well as legacy versions of Mac OS. The later version, PPTX, uses an XML-based structure and zip compression to reduce the size of the presentation file. It was introduced in 2007 with the release of Microsoft Office 2007 and it is backward compatible with earlier versions of PowerPoint. Both PPT and PPTX formats allow user to customize the slides by adding text boxes, animations, sound clips, images, and shapes from graphic design to font selection. PowerPoint is now officially known as Microsoft PowerPoint, a powerful presentation software built by the tech giant Microsoft. It's widely used in educational and business settings not only to create engaging multimedia presentations but also to collaborate with other users and author files together in real time. PowerPoint has a variety of features like text boxes, formatting tools, animations, sound clips, images, shapes and more that make it perfect for creating captivating visuals. In addition to its presentation purposes, organizations use PowerPoint for designing storyboards and user interface designs. Its flexibility has led it to become one of the most popular presentation programs around the world. Microsoft PowerPoint is a widely used presentation software that allows users to create captivating and engaging multimedia presentations with ease. Its wide range of features such as text boxes, formatting tools, animations, sound clips, images, shapes and more make it incredibly versatile in its applications. Not only can users create spectacular slideshows that are perfect for communicating ideas in business or academic settings, but they can also use PowerPoint to design storyboards and user interface designs. With so many functions packed into one program, PowerPoint has become the go-to choice for creating dynamic slide decks. its ability to be used for both presentation and development purposes makes it highly useful across multiple industries. PowerPoint files come in two different formats, PPT/PPTX and PPS/PPSX. PPT or PPTX files are the standard format for creating and editing presentations, while PPS or PPSX are meant to be used in a view-only mode. This means that when opening a presentation in the PPS or PPSX format, it will automatically start the presentation with slides set to transition already. The viewer will not have access to any editing tools, however, they can still interact with the content of the presentation. With PPT or PPTX files, users have complete control over their presentations and can edit every aspect of their deck from transitions to formatting. Therefore, if you want full creative freedom, then you should use the standard PowerPoint file format, PPT or PPTX. Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful presentation software that allows users to create captivating and engaging multimedia presentations. This program offers an array of features and formatting tools that enable users to customize their multimedia presentations, whether for professional or personal use. PowerPoint's format is extremely versatile, enabling users to lay out slides with text, images, charts and graphs, audio clips, animations, videos, and more. There are two main file types associated with this program, PPT or PPTX, which is the standard format used for creating and editing presentations, while PPS or PPSX files are meant to be viewed only. With so many functions packed into one program, it's easy to see why Microsoft PowerPoint has become the go-to tool for creating dynamic slide decks that actively engage viewers in professional or academic settings. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software used to create multimedia presentations. PowerPoint software offers powerful tools and formats to customize your multimedia presentations for various uses. It lets users include text, images, charts and graphs, audio clips, animations, videos and more in their slides. It also has two standard file types associated with it, PPT or PPTX, which is used for creating and editing presentations, while PPS or PPSX files are used for view-only mode. With its many features and options, Microsoft PowerPoint has become the go-to tool for engaging viewers in professional or personal settings. It makes presenting information at school or work easy and can be used on most devices like computers and tablets. PowerPoint is a widely used presentation software developed by Microsoft to help users create interactive and engaging multimedia presentations for various topics. It enables users to easily design, edit, and share their slides with others online or offline. The program comes with plenty of features such as text boxes, formatting tools, animations, sound clips, images, and shapes that allow users to customize the look of the presentation from graphics to the text font. PowerPoint also provides transition effects between slides, which can be used to make the presentation visually appealing. It also supports collaboration so presenters can co-author their files with other users in real time. All these features make PowerPoint an essential tool for any kind of business or educational setting. PowerPoint, commonly known as PPT, is one of the most widely used presentation tools in the modern world. Developed by Microsoft as part of its Office suite, it has become an essential application for creating and delivering presentations in education, business, research, and many other areas. At its core, PPT is designed to help users organize information into slides that combine text, images, charts, animations, and multimedia elements. These slides are then presented to an audience, either in person or digitally, making communication clearer, more structured, and more engaging. The origin of PowerPoint can be traced back to the late 1980s, a period when digital technology was rapidly evolving. Before the introduction of PPT, presentations relied on traditional methods such as chalkboards, printed posters, and overhead projectors with transparencies. These methods, while useful at the time, had significant limitations. They were often time-consuming to prepare, difficult to edit, and lack the visual appeal needed to capture audience attention. The introduction of PowerPoint marked a major shift in presentation methods, offering a flexible and efficient way to create, modify, and deliver content. As computers became more accessible and digital literacy increased, PPT quickly gained popularity. Over time, it evolved from a simple slide creation tool into a powerful platform with advanced features such as animations, transitions, embedded videos, and real-time collaboration. These developments reflect the broader growth of digital communication and the increasing importance of visual media in conveying information. Today, PowerPoint is used worldwide and has become a standard tool in classrooms, offices, conferences, and online platforms. The primary purpose of PPT is to present information in a structured and visually appealing manner. In educational settings, teachers use PowerPoint to explain lessons, illustrate concepts, and engage students. For example, complex topics can be simplified using diagrams, charts, and images, making it easier for students to understand and remember the material. Students themselves use PPT to present assignments, research findings, and projects, helping them develop communication and presentation skills. In the business world, PPT plays a crucial role in communication and decision-making. It is commonly used for meetings, project updates, training sessions, and marketing presentations. Professionals rely on PPT to present data, explain strategies, and persuade stakeholders. The ability to combine text with visuals such as graphs and charts allows presenters to communicate ideas more effectively and support their arguments with evidence. This makes PPT an essential tool for professional success in many industries. Beyond education and business, PPT is also used in various other contexts. It is commonly used in seminars, workshops, public speaking events, and even personal projects. Some individuals use PowerPoint to create visual stories, digital portfolios, or simple animations. Its versatility allows it to be adapted for different purposes, making it a valuable tool for both formal and informal communication. One of the key strengths of PPT is its ability to enhance understanding through visual communication. Research has shown that people tend to process visual information more quickly and effectively than text alone. PowerPoint takes advantage of this by allowing users to include images, videos, and graphics in their presentations. For example, a chart can clearly show trends and comparisons, while a video can demonstrate a process in a way that words alone cannot. These features make presentations more engaging and help audiences retain information more effectively. Another important feature of PPT is its structured format. By organizing content into slides, presenters are encouraged to break down information into smaller, manageable sections. This helps create a logical flow of ideas, making it easier for audiences to follow the presentation. It also helps presenters stay organized and focused, ensuring that they cover all key points without becoming overwhelmed. Despite its many advantages, PPT also has several limitations. One of the most common issues is the tendency to overload slides with too much information. When slides contain large amounts of text, they can become difficult to read and understand. This can reduce the effectiveness of the presentation and make it harder for the audience to stay engaged. Similarly, excessive use of animations and transitions can be distracting and take attention away from the main message. Another limitation of PPT is its reliance on technology. Presentations often depend on computers, projectors, and electricity, which means that technical issues can disrupt the delivery. Problems such as power failures, incompatible software versions, or malfunctioning equipment can affect the quality of the presentation. This highlights the importance of preparation and having backup plans in case of technical difficulties. PPT can also encourage passive communication if not used carefully. In some cases, presenters rely too heavily on slides, reading directly from them instead of engaging with the audience. This can make the presentation less interactive and reduce its impact. In educational settings, overuse of PPT may lead to passive learning, where students simply watch slides without actively participating or thinking critically. Therefore, it is important to use PPT as a supportive tool rather than a replacement for effective communication. As PPT continued to evolve, its role expanded beyond traditional presentations. It became a tool for organizing ideas, telling stories, and collaborating with others. Modern versions of PowerPoint allow multiple users to work on the same presentation simultaneously, even from different locations. This has made it an important tool for teamwork and remote collaboration, especially in a globalized world where people often work across distances. The integration of multimedia elements has also transformed PPT into a more interactive and engaging platform. Users can now include audio narration, video clips, and hyperlinks in their presentations. These features enhance the depth and quality of communication, allowing presenters to create more dynamic and immersive experiences. For example, a training presentation can include video demonstrations, while a lecture can incorporate recorded explanations and interactive elements. However, these advanced features also come with challenges. Large multimedia files can increase the size of presentations, making them difficult to share or upload. Compatibility issues may arise when presentations are opened on different devices or software versions, leading to formatting problems or missing elements. These challenges require users to be mindful of how they design and share their presentations. Another important consideration is the impact of PPT on communication styles. Over time, PPT has influenced how people think about presenting information. There is now a greater emphasis on brevity, clarity, and visual appeal. While this can improve communication, it can also lead to oversimplification. Complex ideas may be reduced to short bullet points, which can result in loss of depth and detail. This is particularly important in academic and professional contexts where a thorough understanding is required. The widespread use of PPT has also shaped audience expectations. People now expect presentations to be visually appealing, well organized, and easy to follow. This has raised the standard for presentations, encouraging users to develop better design and communication skills. However, it has also created pressure to focus on appearance rather than content. In some cases, presenters may prioritize attractive slides over meaningful information, which can reduce the overall quality of the presentation. Another significant effect of PPT is its role in developing digital literacy. Creating effective presentations requires skills such as organizing information, designing layouts, and using digital tools. These skills are increasingly important in today's world, where technology plays a central role in communication and work. By using PPT, individuals can improve their ability to communicate ideas clearly and effectively in a digital environment. At the same time, PPT has influenced learning habits, particularly in educational settings. Students often rely on slides for notes and summaries, which can make learning more convenient but may reduce the need for deeper engagement. It is important for educators to balance the use of PPT with other teaching methods, such as discussions, activities, and independent study, to ensure a well-rounded learning experience. Accessibility is another important issue related to PPT. Not all audiences have the same ability to engage with presentations. For example, individuals with visual impairments may find it difficult to read slides, while others may have limited access to the technology needed to view presentations. This highlights the importance of designing presentations that are inclusive and accessible, using clear fonts, appropriate colors, and alternative formats when necessary. Looking toward the future, PPT is likely to continue evolving as technology advances. Features such as artificial intelligence, cloud-based collaboration, and interactive tools are expected to enhance its capabilities. These developments may make presentations more personalized, engaging, and accessible. However, the fundamental principles of effective communication will remain the same. A successful presentation will always depend on clear ideas, thoughtful organization, and meaningful interaction with the audience. In conclusion, PowerPoint is a powerful and versatile tool that has transformed the way information is communicated in modern society. Its background reflects the evolution of digital technology, and its uses extend across education, business, and many other fields. While it offers significant advantages in terms of organization, visual communication, and accessibility, it also has limitations that must be carefully managed. The effects of PPT are both positive and complex, influencing not only how information is presented but also how it is understood and processed. Ultimately, PPT is most effective when used thoughtfully and creatively. It should support the presenter's message, not replace it. By balancing its strengths and weaknesses, and by focusing on both content and delivery, users can create presentations that are engaging, informative, and impactful. This comprehensive understanding of PPT highlights its importance in today's digital world and emphasizes the need for responsible and effective use. Thank you for watching this video.